as you heard, I'm Dr. Pia Malenaon. I've been here many times and I know some of you. So I'm here just as the face or representative of all the doctors taking care of the children with heart disease at the Philippine General Hospital. And I'm here to greet you, congratulate you on this success celebration, to more success, and secondly, of course, to convey our gratitude because you have been a big part of bringing life to these children like Ransel. So Ransel is just representative, one of the thousands of children whom you've helped through the years through our partnership. So to me, another definition of success for you would be successful lives, successful hearts. So with your help, they've been made whole, they've been restored to full life. They're children, they love to play, laugh, and they will grow and attain their dreams. And hopefully join your scheme. You know, you will study very hard and join new skin. So again, I wish all of you more success to many more years of partnership. So in behalf of the Philippine General Hospital, UP Division of Pediatric Cardiology, many thanks. More power.
Once again, thank you, Dr. Pia, for the